सुसेगाद दंपार पडोवणाराक म्हजो माय मोगाचो येवकार हांव फ्रँकी फर्नांडीस मेलबर्न ऑस्ट्रेलियाचो तुमकां गोंयच्यो आनी भायल्या देशांत रावतल्या गोंयकारांच्यो खबरो कोंकणींतल्यान पावयता आज फेब्रुवारीची 15 तारीख. सुरवात करता आमी खेळा मैदानारसावन. 18 वर्सांचो कॅलिफोर्निया हांगा रावपी रायली जेम्स डेल्गाडो हाणें युएसएच्या मेजर सॉकर लीग पंगड LA गॅलेक्सी हांकां 4 वर्सांची डील सायन केल्या. आदीं रायली जेम्स डेल्गाडो हाणें अंडर 17 युएसएची नॅशनल टीम हांकां खेळपाक ताका भाग मेळ्ळो. रायली हाची आवय बापूय गोंयची आनी 6 वर्सांच्या पिरायेचेर आसतना तो फुटबॉल खेळपाक सुरू केल्लें. तो आमचे लागीं खास उलयलो.
Drops it back. The shot off with goal is in for the first goal of the game, coming from Riley Delgado. Esenge.
Yeah, it has always been my dream to sign for LA Galaxy, and now that I'm here, my next goal is to make my debut.
Allows Houston to reset. Delgado!
I prepare every day by eating healthy, going to sleep at a certain time, working out in the gym, and putting in hard work on the field every day.
Really changed the complexion. Schmidt's ball in. Ooh, that nearly bounced all the way through. Critical touch from Delgado.
Delgado with the left, and Delgado puts it away for Ventura County.
To play in the MLS, it requires hard work, consistency, and confidence. Every day, you need to show up to the facility, get your work done, properly rest and recover, and then go home and repeat every single day.
He's had a quality match in this one. Pulling strings at times. Delgado
heads back to Delgado. The man that just tied things up. Slips to Delgado. Jura.
You need confidence to show that you are a top player and can aspire for bigger and better things. My grandmother, Helena Moniz, lived in Kutorim, and we used to visit her when she was alive. When in Goa, I would go to the local field and play football with locals. In 2030, I see myself being a full-time starter with the LA Galaxy first team and getting interest from European teams.
All the very best to you, Riley James Delgado, for your time. Wish you all the very best and hope to see you shine on the soccer field. गेल्ल्या महिन्यात केंद्र सरकारान गोंयचे फ्रीडम फायटर लिबी लोबो सरदेसाय हाका पद्मश्री पुरस्कार फावो केलो. हाचे आदीं गोंयचो इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह सर्व्हिस हाचो नोकरी केल्लो आमचो इश्ट एल्विस गोम्स हाणें लिबी लोबो सरदेसाय हाका मेळ्ळें आनी कांय खास विशयांवर भासाभास केली. ऐकात.
What do you feel today? The euphoria which you had on 19 December 1961, does it still subsist?
I am completely disappointed with the goings on and the happenings in Goa. You see, we wanted freedom for the people. But the people have got the freedom, but they are not using it, or I do not know whether they are prevented from using it, or they do not know how to use it. If whatever they are doing is affecting badly to them, and I think that every person should understand whatever affects them well or badly. It is not a question of money. It is a question of continuity of your life. If your life is not improved, if your character is not improved, and if you do not have the satisfaction of leading not only a healthy but a pure life, then what does freedom mean?
So, can I say that the days under the Portuguese regime and the days now, was it in this sense which you have just spoken about life and freedom of life, was it better? Can I make a comparison?
You know, we used to describe the atmosphere and the situation in Goa during the Portuguese time as peace of the great.
Okay.
Because there was no hullabaloo as there is today. And that is because people did not have the freedom of speech. Today we have the freedom of speech, but only to say what the rulers want, not what we want. That is not freedom of speech.
आज सगळे कडेन अशेंच पळोवपाक मेळटा. म्हाका एक विचारूंक जाय हे एक उतर स्कॅम म्हणतात ते आता सगळे कडेन आयकूंक मेवता. स्कॅम आता लेटेस्ट म्हणल्यार जॉब स्कॅम. असली स्कॅमां बी तुमकां पयलीं त्या टायमार त्या तेंपार आयकूंक मेवताली.
हे स्कॅम म्हाका दिसता आख्खे भारतान नाशिल्ले. ते गोंया येतले.
स्कॅम म्हणटा ते अशें
ना उतोरी नाहल्ले आनी
म्हणजे कोणाक नोकरी बिकरी दिता आसतना अशें अंडर हँड कितें तरी करून
केन्नाच नाशिल्ले. आनी
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन.
पुर्तुगेजांच्या वेळार तो नाच ना.
What about the administration? What about how people were treated by and large?
Administration was perfect during the Portuguese. There was no favoritism and there was no cheating. There was no corruption. Corruption was not the word we heard at that time. There was nothing. Nobody could get a job by favor. You had to get it only by merit. Today there is I don't know whether there is favor, but there is no merit. And therefore the administration is at a very great discount.
पद्मश्री लिबी लोबो सरदेसाय आणि एल्विस गोम्स हांची भासाभास हाचो दुसरो भाग तुमकां फुडल्या सुमारांत पळोवपाक मेवतलो. खबर गोंयचे पर्यटन हो ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंट हाचे बाबतींत. हालच्या दिसांनी आमकां खबर मेवता कशे तरेन दर्याचे देगेर शेक्सांका बेकायदेशीर गोवा ट्युरिझम डिपार्टमेंट लायसन्स दिता. कशे तरेन वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स हो वेगवेगळे एडव्हेंचर स्पोर्ट्स हांकां लायसन्स दिता. आनी हाच्याच कारणाक लागून कांय ट्युरिस्ट हांचें मरण बी गोंयांत जालां. काँग्रेस पक्षाचो आल्दोनचो आमदार ॲडव्होकेट कार्लोस आल्वारेस फेरेरा हाणें गोंयचो ट्युरिझम मिनिस्टर रोहन कावंटी हाका गुन्यांवकार थारायला आनी हाची बदली करची म्हूण मागणी केल्या.
License after license, permission after permissions. People are running things over there on the beach without any license. How does it happen? Do you want to say the tourism department is not aware of these things? You have allowed this B&B to come in. I was speaking about B&B in the assembly. What is this? I call it another racket going on. The B&B permission is given for 5 years. And then no documents. You call it fast track. Ease of business you call it. And what has come out of it? No license, no permission, no conversion, panchayat fees not paid, nothing paid, and they only pay the tourism department. And you know it. I can believe it to be official and unofficially you're paid. And they say, no, when people have complained, I've got written with me. People have complained, they have told them orally, no, when the renewal comes, we will see. That means 5 years you're going to suffer them. First, I think tourism minister should be changed. You see, the decline of tourism has come from them.
खबर आता गोंयच्या लँड स्कॅम हाचे केसी बाबतींत. गोंयच्या पुलिसांनी सुलेमान सुदिकी हाका दुसरे फावट अरेस्ट केल्लो. ताणें आतां आरोप केला की गोंयच्या पुलिसांनी ताचेर प्रेशर घातलो की ताणें आम आदमी पार्टी हाचो मुखेली ॲडव्होकेट अमित पालेकर हाचेर गरजे भायर आरोप करचे म्हूण. आरोपी सुलेमान सुदिकी हाणें दुसरे फावट अरेस्ट करचे आदीं आपलो दुसरो व्हिडिओ हातूंत ॲडव्होकेट अमित पालेकर हाचेर आरोप केलो की ताणें गरजे भायर कांय गोंयचे पुलीस अधिकारी आनी BJPचो आमदार ह्या लँड स्कॅमान गुंतल्यात म्हूण. ॲडव्होकेट अमित पालेकर हाणें सांगलें की गोंयचे पुलीस विरोधी पक्षाच्या लोकांचेर केसीस घालतात आनी हाचेर चवकशी करची म्हूण.
सेकंड व्हिडिओ वेर यू आर सेईंग दॅट की ते पयले व्हिडिओ काडिल्ले ते हांवें काडूंक लायिल्ले म्हणून ताका. आनी हांवें त्याच वेळार सांगिल्लें की दॅट व्हिडिओ वीच वॉज रिलीज सेकंड डेचो तो कोणी रिलीज केलो, खंयच्यान तो खंय पावलो, हाजो सोर्स पुलिसांनी फायंड आउट करचो म्हणून. आनी तातूंत जे स्टेटमेंट केलें ते व्हेरीफाय करचें ते वाचता म्हणून दिसतालें म्हणून. आज जर हो स्टेटमेंट हांवें आयकूंक ना, पूण तुमकां जर मिडियाक तांणी जर सांगला ही गजाल जाल्यार हातल्यान हांवें त्याय दिसा सांगिल्लें की एक दीस असो येतलो की सत्य भायर येतलें म्हणून. सो ही करतूत कोणी केली आनी केन्ना केली आनी कशी केली हें म्हाका दिसता फायंड आउट करचें पडटलें. आनी वेदर क्रायम ब्रांच ऑफिसर्स आर इनवॉल्वड इन दीस हें फायंड आउट करचें पडटलें. कारण विदावट दॅर गन पॉयंट कोणी केलो, कोणी खंयच्या ऑफिसरान केलो आनी खंयच्या ऑफिसर आशिल्ले हाजेर इन्क्वायरी जावची पडटली. आनी पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटान म्हाका दिसता जी आज चल्ला, पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट ज्या तरेन फंक्शनींग करता, दीस शोज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ देअर फंक्शनींग बेसिकली एज टू वॉट दे कॅन मॅनिपुलेट. सो एक गोष्ट आय ऑलवेज न्यू दॅट देर वॉज absolutely no truth in that video. They were trying to implicate me in that particular thing आणि गरजे भायर ताजो वापर करून पॉलिटिकल वापर करपाक सोदताले. हातल्यान एक गोष्ट स्पश्ट जाली की तो सेकंड व्हिडिओ जो आसा तो फेक व्हिडिओ आनी तो ताका कोणी तरी काडपाक लायल्लो. आता तो कोणी लायल्लो काडपाक, कित्याक लागून काडपाक लायल्लो आनी पुलिसांचो तातूंत कितलो इन्वॉल्वमेंट आसा ते म्हाका दिसता. आय थिंक पुलीस वील बी एबल टू टेल यू बेटर. बट दिस इज शॉकिंग and absolutely shocking from the point of view that what extent can police go to implicate opposition जे leaders आसा तांकां कशे तरेन त्रास करपाक जाय जाल्यार पुलीस कितेंय करपाक कशा एक्सटेंटाक वचपाक शकता. हातूंत सरकाराचोय हात आसूंक शकता.
गोंयांतसून 3 मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट गोंयकारांनी विचून काडून दिल्लीच्या पार्लमेंटान धाडले. बीजेपीचो उत्तर गोंयचो श्रीपाद नायक, दक्षिण गोंयचो काँग्रेस पक्षाचो कॅप्टन विर्याटो फर्नांडीस आणि राज्यसभांत सदानंद शेट तनावडे. बीजेपीचो उत्तर गोंयचो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट श्रीपाद नायक 6 फावटी MP म्हूण निवडून आयलो. काँग्रेस पक्षाचो कॅप्टन विर्याटो फर्नांडीस हाचो पयलेच फावट लोकसभांत मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट म्हूण विचून आयलो. आनी तिसरो म्हणटा तो राज्यसभांत बीजेपीचो सदानंद शेट तनावडे. कॅप्टन विर्याटो फर्नांडीस हाणें MP म्हूण निवडून आयल्या उपरांत साबार गोंयचे विशय पार्लमेंटान दवरले आनी सदानंद शेट तनावडे हाणें केन्ना केन्ना विशय मांडल्यात. पूण श्रीपाद नायक हाचो दिल्लीचो पार्लमेंटान कांयच आवाज आयकोंक मेवलो ना. पूण गेल्ल्या सुमारांत वेस्ट बेंगॉल हाचो ऑल इंडिया तृणमूल काँग्रेस हाचो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट राज्यसभांत डेरिक ओब्रायन हाणें कांय गोंयचे गरजेचे मुद्दे पार्लमेंटा मुखार दवरले.
Smaller states rarely get a chance to have their voices heard here, sir. So I'm happy today to raise the issue of the need to preserve the rich coastal culture of Goa. So the coastal culture of Goa is basically on 2 communities. One is the fishing community with all their great traditions and the toddy tapping community. So these are the 2 communities. Now the vibrant communities in these fishing villages, I've been there once or twice and seen myself, sir. They have a great tradition. But now they're going through, sir, an existential crisis, and for a variety of reasons. Primarily because of the CRZ or the coastal regulation zones. As a result, sir, these fishermen, they can't build homes, they can't do up their homes, they can't park their boats, all kinds of problems. And worse than that, the trawlers are also coming and robbing them of their livelihood. Sir, the issue here is affecting 20,000 fishermen, about 1 lakh people in this community, sir. Tough times for them. So one more issue in Goa, sir, on the same issue of saving ecology. Sir, salt pans. This is an old Goa tradition of using the salt pans. From the salt pans, they extricate salt. That too, sir, is under trouble. These should be preserved as heritage sites, sir. We appeal to the government to save the fishermen, to save Goa, like the Supreme Court said, don't turn it into a concrete jungle. We must protect that, sir. And what do the people of Goa do? What are the options they have? The last time they voted, we were hearing slogans. There are 2 ways to use 0 hour. One is you can raise these issues, or you can stand up and shout the name of your leader, slogans for your leader. Sir, I'm using these issues. So the Goa government is doing nothing. And what was the opposition doing there? They elected 11 MLAs from the Congress. In good faith, 8 Congress MLAs left and went to the BJP. So who will protect the people of Goa? I appeal to this government, leave the politics aside and let's get together to help these states.
तर ह्यो जर आमच्यो कांय गोंयच्यो आनी भायल्या देशांत रावतल्या गोंयकारांच्यो खबरो सुसेगाद दनपार मेलबर्न ऑस्ट्रेलियासान. मेळुया दुसऱ्या सोमारांत. ते मेरेन मोग आसूंदी.